It is time for the Game of Thrones Pizza. And it begins with the chicken drumsticks. So underneath is a bed of onion, carrot, celery, minced garlic, and I season the vegetables with salt, pepper, Italian seasoning, hot sauce, soy sauce, cayenne pepper. Before adding the chicken, I browned it 3 to 4 minutes, both sides, medium-high heat. Then in the pan, I made a roux, deglazed with red wine, and poured over the chicken. Then add water until it touches the chicken, but doesn't submerge it. Cook on low for 4.5 to 5 hours, but watch it. After it cooks, let it cool a bit, peel the skin, set aside, and shred the meat. In another container, strain the stock. Then, with the skin, throw it in a pan and crisp it up well. I'm here with my pizza guy Abe at Trattoria Napoli, and we're gonna make this pizza. With the dough and cheese already laid out, he's gonna first gently spoon over some of the stock. Then, he's gonna evenly scatter the meat all over the pizza. Before hitting the oven, it gets topped with Abe's wonderful vodka sauce. After it comes out, we hit it with that glorious crispy chicken skin and pop it back in for 30 more seconds. And he gets this real fire with wood from fresh logs. Just the real deal every day. All right, so after much anticipation, it's the Game of Thrones Pizza. This pizza just came to me in a vision. You got the aromatic chicken, very tender, very moist. And who would have thought crispy chicken skin as a topping on pizza? It's brilliant. Tell me, how do you think it is?
One of the best I ever tried. Wow, very tasty.
Victory is ours.